I welcome everyone to our YouTube channel AAU Organics. In this video we will see in detail about the advertisement for Central Warehouse Corporation. Before going deep into this video, if you are new to our channel, you can subscribe our channel. Our channel is the only channel to give agriculture education, job opportunities and ICAR related videos in English, so you can share our channel with your friends also. This is the notification given by Central Warehousing Corporation. In this, the job opportunities for agricultural graduates are there, as most of our channel subscribers are agriculture graduates, so this video will be very useful to you. Here they have given the vacancy for different posts. First is management trainee general. Here are 40 vacancies. They have splitted the vacancy based on category also, that you can go through. Here the second is management trainee technical. Here total number of vacancies are 13, and again they have classified the post based on the category. Next is accountant. For accountant, the total number of vacancies are 9. Next is superintendent general. For this, total number of vacancies are 22. Next is junior technical assistant. Here totally 81 vacancies are there. Agricultural graduates are also eligible to apply for this junior technical assistant. Next, in this table they have given the special recruitment drive. So here for the superintendent general, the total number of vacancies are 2. Next is junior technical assistant, and for NE it is 10, and NE means it's northeast. And for the junior technical assistant SRD, Union Territory of the Ladakh, for that the number of vacancies are 2. So these are the total number of vacancies that you may have recently seen in this notification also. So in this advertisement they have simply given the total number of vacancy, just you can go through. Here in the table A1 and A2 they have given the scale of pay also, just you can go through the scale of pay. For this management trainee, the pay scale is 60,000 to 1,80,000. Next, for the accountant, pay scale is 40,000 to 1,40,000. For superintendent also same, and for junior technical assistant, pay scale is 29,000 to 93,000. Here they have given the vacancies based on the special reservation. So here we can see that number of post for PWBD candidates. So for the vacancies in the table A1, so these are the vacancies, just you can go through. However, for the table A2 there are no special vacancies for PWBD candidates. Next is a post reserved for ex-servicemen. Total number of post 12 posts are reserved for the ex-servicemen category for the junior technical assistant. And for the table A2 only one post is reserved. Next, the selection process for the post mentioned in table A1 will be the follows. So here for the post code 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is for management trainee general and technical and accountant superintendent general, there will be the online test followed by document verification. Next will be interview. But for the junior technical assistant, only online test and the document verification will be there. Similarly for the table A2 also, for the superintendent post, online test and document verification followed by interview will be there. Whereas for the junior technical assistant, for NE and Union Territory of Ladakh, only online test and document verification will be there. You can utilize this opportunity because there is no interview. So if you prepare well, there is a more chance to clear in this exam. Next is they have given the tentative date. First, the online registration starts from today and it is up to 12th January 2025. Next is a payment of online application. That is also up to 12th January 2025 only. And a call letter for examination, that is a hall ticket, they may release around 10 days before the examinations. Next is online examination. If any need arise, it will be intimated later, and all the call letters for document verification will be intimated later, and conduct of interview and document verification all will be intimated later. Next is they have given the eligibility criteria. Here we can see about educational qualifications. So this is very important. So for the management trainee, degree in first class, Master of Business Administration MBA, or specialization in personal management or human resources or industrial relation or market management or supply chain management from recognized university or institutions. So there is no need of any experience. Only this degree graduates are eligible for applying this management trainee for general. Similarly, for the management trainee technical, first class postgraduate degree in agriculture with entomology or microbiology or biochemistry. Only these 3 postgraduate students from agriculture are eligible. Or first class postgraduate in biochemistry or zoology with entomology from recognized university or institution are eligible. Preference will be given to those who also possess postgraduate diploma on warehousing and cold chain management and quality management from recognized university or institution. Next is for the accountant, they should be from BCom or BA Commerce or Chartered Accountant or Cost or Works Accountant. So here agriculture graduates cannot apply. Next is they require the experience of minimum 3 years. Next is Superintendent General, postgraduate degree in any discipline from recognized university or institution. Next is for the Junior Technical Assistant, degree in agriculture or a degree with zoology, biochemistry or chemistry as one of the subjects. Here the experience is not needed. So this is for the post enlisted in table A1. Next is similarly for the post enlisted in table A2. Similarly they have given for superintendent, junior technical assistant and junior technical assistant SRD of Union Territory of Ladakh. So for this junior technical assistant, agriculture graduates can apply if you have completed your BSc agriculture. Working knowledge of computer will be an added advantage. I hope everyone will be having some working knowledge on computer. Here only they have given the age limit as on the last date of submission of application, that is 12th January 2025. For most of the post 28 years is the maximum. For management trainee general 28 years, and for the management trainee technical 28 years, for accountant 30 years, and for superintendent general 30 years, and for junior technical assistant 28 years. As most of our channel subscribers will be applying for this junior technical assistant, candidates should not have been born earlier than 13th January 1997. So your date of birth should not be before 13th January 1997 and later than 12th January 2007. So your date of birth should be within this date. Here they have given this age relaxation. For SC and ST category 5 years age relaxation has been given, and for OBC 3 years age relaxation. Persons with benchmark disability 10 years age relaxation has been given, and for ex-serviceman category and some other categories 5 years age relaxations has been given. Ex-serviceman for the post code 5, 7 and 8 3 years age relaxation has been given. Next is persons affected by 1984 years 5 years age relaxation has been given. Next is examination pattern. So here for the management trainee there will be 5 parts. So the first will be professional knowledge, that will be from your subject. So it will be for 100 questions of 100 marks. All the question papers will be both in Hindi and English. Time allotted for this professional knowledge is 70 minutes. Next for general awareness it will be 15 minutes. Totally 20 questions in this part. Next is English language 25 questions 20 minutes, and reasoning and computer aptitude 25 questions and 20 minutes. Next is data analysis, interpretation and quantitative aptitude 30 questions for 25 minutes. Totally there will be 200 questions for 200 marks, and the time duration is 2 hours 30 minutes. So here you have to complete all this part within the given time. You cannot extend more than that time. Next is similarly for the accountant also, and the superintendent general. Here reasoning and computer aptitude, English language, data analysis and interpretation and quantitative aptitude, and general awareness. Here also totally 200 questions for 200 marks, and time is 2.5 hours. Next is junior technical assistant, as most of our channel subscribers will be applying for this. So here they have given professional knowledge. It will include agriculture, physics, chemistry, like that. We will see in deep later. Next is reasoning and aptitude 40 questions. For this professional knowledge is 65 questions for 65 marks. Here the time is 55 minutes, 25 minutes. Similarly, here data analysis and interpretation, general awareness, English language will be there. Here also totally 200 questions for 200 marks, and the time is 2 hours 30 minutes. Here they have given the syllabus for all the post. Syllabus for management trainee. Next is syllabus for management trainee technical post. Here for the technical post agriculture is there, so I am explaining here. For basic agriculture there will be 30 questions for 30 marks. Okay, here the syllabus will be like principles of crop production, protection, post harvest, grain protection, agriculture extension, horticulture, animal husbandry, distribution and economic scenario. Next is biotechnology, which includes like microbes, beneficial, harmful, genetic engineering. All this will cover about 20 marks. Next is entomology. So entomology is important. Basic entomology, economic entomology, beneficial and harmful insects, IPM, storage entomology. All this includes 30 questions, 30 marks. And from chemistry, physical chemistry, inorganic and organic chemistry, totally 20 questions, 20 marks. So this is for the professional. Next is for the junior technical assistant. For this junior technical assistant, basic agriculture will be 15. Next is botany 10 questions, and zoology 15 questions, chemistry 15 questions, and physics 10 questions. So this is for the junior technical assistant. This will be from professional knowledge. Next remaining all will be based on that syllabus. The cutoff score will be decided based on this 1:5 ratio for management trainee, accountant and superintendent. For junior technical assistant, only 1:3 ratio will be followed. Next is application fees. For SC, ST, PWBD, ex-servicemen and women candidates, intimation charges is only 500 rupees. So totally you have to pay 500 rupees. Whereas for candidates belonging to unreserved EWS or OBC category, application fees is 850 rupees and intimation charges 500 rupees. So totally 1350 rupees you need to pay. In this annexure they have given the exam centers. So while filling the application you can give the exam centers nearby your location. Here they have given the tentative place of postings at regional offices in Central Warehousing Corporation. So here they have given for most of the states. You can go through. I hope from this video you may have got some awareness about the recruitment for Central Warehousing Corporation. Thank you.